In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your taillight on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. With the tailgate open, you have two 8mm bolts. There's one right at the top above the tailgate cable, and then right below there's another one. It doesn't matter which one you take out first, but you do have to remove both. Get one out. The taillight is still clipped in, so even when you take the second one out, it's not going to just fall out of here. Now you can either try to just pull straight out on it, but most likely it's not going to pop out because the clips that are here and here are holding it in, especially if this is the first time this taillight has been removed. They're pretty strong. So what you want to do is grab a plastic trim tool, stick it in here. You don't want anything metal that'll damage the paint, and you want to just pry outward, and this should pop out. There we go. Catch it before it falls. It's not going to go very far anyway, because on the back side we still have the bulbs and all the wiring. To take these out, just twist them counterclockwise until they slide out of their slot. For this lower one, it looks like I have to unplug it because the electrical connector isn't letting me go past this little tab here, so I can pop the socket off. A lot of times these will be full of sand because they're out in the open here. Okay, there we go. Set that aside safely. And last one. Now you can pull your old taillight out, bring the new taillight in. Let's reattach the bulbs. Doesn't matter which one you start with. This is also a great time to inspect and replace them if necessary. Put the top one in. Turn them clockwise to lock them in. Last one. Okay. This one we'll have to plug back in. Make sure that clicks. Okay, once you're sure that it's lined up, tap it in and it will lock into place. So now let's just put on the two mounting screws. The new taillight will not have threads cut into it. These are screws that cut their own threads into plastic. Make sure they're nice and snug. And put this lower one back in. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.